What's up people, it's Azdan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you gems of the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you an amazing project named as Celsius. So let's get started. So the first interface is like this: say hello to the Cell token. So let me tell you in short what Cell token is all about. So what is Cell? Well, in short, it's a centralized crypto lending platform that enable you to learn interest, take out a crypto loan and pay or be paid in crypto. All that is done through a Celsius app. So how good are those rates of interest? Well, you can earn up to 22.4 APY by supplying crypto to the Celsius app. Yes, that is for selected cryptocurrencies only, but you can get the mind-boggling rate by depositing synthetic or matic token deposit stable coins like USD or Tether, etc. And you can scoop up whooping 15.8% interest. Last time I checked, 33 different cryptocurrency were supported by the app. For the granddaddy of crypto Bitcoin, you can earn up to 6.2% interest, and Ethereum holder can get nearly 9%. Seriously folks, these are some pretty attractive returns, particularly when you are considered the most bank pay you next to the nothing on your deposits. Now the astute amongst you will probably notice that I've been talking about top tier of interest. So how on earth do you get it? Well, Celsius has its own reward program that can top up your interest returns to the top tier interest figure. Basically, if more than 15% of your holdings on the Celsius app are in Cell token, then you will enjoy a 35 bonus interest reward to get you to the top rate of interest. The main thing to know here is that the higher rate of interest will be paid in Cell tokens as opposed to the crypto you're supplying. Another neat thing is that this reward program is that it's all based on the ratio of your holding within the Celsius app and not about the amount, so anyone can access those top tier rewards. It doesn't matter if you are supplying 10 or 10 millions dollar worth of crypto, provided you hold more than 15% of your Celsius app balance in Cell. You'll get those platinum VIP reward perks. On top of that, borrower can get a loan interest discount up to 30%. Pretty sweet if you ask. Loan, the minimum loan is pretty reasonable, like it's 1000, and you can choose a loan to value ratio of 25%, 33%, or 50% with an LTV of 25%. You can get an APR as low as 1% if you pay interest with fiat, and an incredible 0.7 if you pay in Cell tokens. One more thing, you have the option to pay the loan back over 6 months, a year, 2 years, or even 3 years term. To put that into context, I could take out a loan of $1000 for 6 months at a loan to value ratio of 25%, and I'd only have to pay $3.50 in interest if I paid in Cell. That's an astonishingly low rate of interest. So that is as an astonishingly low rate of interest, also because the loans on Celsius are collateralized. That means that there's no annoying paperwork and loans get approved instantly. So yes, it's infinitely easier than hopping along to your local bank traditional finance hoops. In the terms of supported countries, you can use Celsius provided you're not based in any of the countries here. Oh yes, another neat feature of the app is Cell Pay. This is just a really user friendly way to send or receive crypto from other Celsius user for free. So I imagine you're thinking that Celsius app seems great, but it is really all that popular. Well, it turns out that they have processed $8.2 billion in loans and have over 176,000 users and an incredible $1.1 billion in assets under management. Oh yes, around $45 million in interest has been paid out by Celsius to users. So for now, this is all begs the question that is it all that good to be true, and is Celsius just an elaborate Ponzi scheme? So here they have mentioned even higher earned rewards. So choose to earn your weekly rewards in Cell token and receive up to 25% more rewards on deposit of non-Cell coins. Even lower interest rate loans. If you pay interest on your loans with Cell tokens, you will receive up to 30% discount on all of your interest payments. Nice, that's amazing. lower interest rates for institutions. So they also provide loans for institutions. Institutions that borrow coin benefit from paying the interest which sell and receive up to 30% discount on their interest payments. So these are the top 500 holders here. The machine, this is the CEO of this project, and Celsius itself. So they have partnership with all of these major exchanges, Bittrex, Bitfinex, and with IDEX, Swap, MetaMask, etc. So they have their own reward program. As I have told you before, that the Celsius raise your holding, raise your status, and in true Celsius fashion, it's based on your ratio, not your amount. So anyone can access meaningful rewards. As for bronze, 5 or 10% holders would get 5% bonus rewards and 5% loan interest discount. As for silver, if you hold 10 to 15% sell token, then 10% of bonus rewards and 10% loan interest discount. If you hold 15 to 25% sell token holdings, then you have 15% bonus rewards and 15% loan interest discounts. As for 25 to 100% sell token holdings, 25% bonus rewards and loan interest discount. So their flywheel token economics looks like this: that they would collect interest, distribute to members, lend coins, collect interest in coins, buy, sell, distribute to members, user wallet balances increase, and issue a loan. So at Celsius, they value crypto. They share up to 80% of their revenue with the Celsius community in the form of weekly rewards, payments, up to 10% for everyone. So the total token supply is 695 million here. As you can see, the circulating supply here is 510 million. The 73 of total supply is this. So the token locked are 117 million, which is the 27% of total supply. Okay, so they also have their own merchandise shops, which is called Swag Shop. If you want to buy it, the prices are mentioned here, and you can buy it for yourself. So let me tell you, is it secure, or are there any risk? I'm sure you know that nothing in the world is entirely risk-free. So let's move on and look at how risky Celsius is, shall we? What Celsius is doing is effectively securities lending. That's actually one of the most secure businesses on Wall Street. You'll struggle to find an example of one bank that made a loss on their security lending business. Basically, that's due to the fact that transactions are being made with collateral. Celsius does the exact same thing when they lend to big institutions. So, who are these faceless institutions? Well, there are either crypto exchanges or companies with large balance sheets. Nonetheless, Celsius still requires institutional borrowers to put up collateral. If their balance sheet is huge, then Celsius might only ask for 50 in collateral. What that means is that Celsius might say, here's $10 million in Bitcoin, give us 5 million in cash as collateral. So that begs the question, why would any institution want to do that in first place? Well, the reason why is the most of these institutions are dollar denominated, meaning they have dollars but they trade in Bitcoin, and they don't want to take on the volatility risk of Bitcoin going up or down. So that's why they want to borrow the crypto asset for market making, to allow clients to go short or to do arbitrage. This enables them to sniff out the directional risk of specific cryptocurrencies moving up and down. Another potential risk is if the collateral put up by the institution is insufficient. The thing is that Celsius doesn't wait until the value of cryptocurrency drops below the value of the collateral in USD terms. Most borrowers have margin call. A good example of how these margin calls are managed is if we think back up to 12th of the March of this year. Now on that fateful day, Bitcoin dropped from 7.4k to 4.2k within 24 hours. BitMEX liquidated about $1 billion. Nexo and BlockFi liquidated hundreds of millions of dollars. DeFi platform liquidated about $250 million, and Celsius apparently liquidated to no one. The reason why is that Celsius made their margin calls and received additional collateral from institutions with loans outstanding. That seems to indicate the Celsius Celsius manages margin calls damn well and ask for additional collateral quickly. It allows show that the types of institution they lend to have strong enough balance sheet to move that liquid cash quickly to recollectivize those loans. However, with all that being said, there is famous saying that cryptocurrency is fair, not your keys, not your crypto. With Celsius rehypothecation means that there is some counterparty risk. Basically, if you are using Celsius, you are trusting that the project will keep on managing this risk well and ensure that institution honor their margin calls. If the project fails to do that, then you can kiss that sweet crypto interest goodbye. Another a major concern that's common for any centralized platform would be data breaches. Celsius, or competitor BlockFi, had such a breach this year, and that resulted in the leaking of customer detail. If you hold a large amount on crypto on the Celsius, you probably don't want a random hacker knowing that and having access to your personal details. That's kind of physical security concern. Honestly, I am a bit of not your keys kind of guys. It might be being paranoid, but I personally don't want to entrust my crypto to any centralized entity. That's one of the main reason I got into crypto in the first place. However, I accept that there are a lot of people out there that will never want to manage their own keys. Ultimately, it's up to you to weigh up these risks and work out if those interest rates are worth it or not. So that was all about risks, etc. Let's have a look at the Celsius on core market cap, like what the sell coins is and what is market cap. So the price of Celsius here is like live price on 22 May. So live price is $6 and 58 cents with a gain percentage of almost 3%, and the market cap is huge, like 1.5 billion. That's amazing. It's ranked on 59 on CoinMarketCap. The fully diluted market cap is 4.5 billion, and the last 24-hour trading volume is 45 million. As for the max supply, as you can see, 695 million. The circulating supply is 238 million. So that was the numbers. Let's have a look at the graph. As you can see, so it started like here on October 7 to 10 2018, 0.05. After that, on in 2020 it started to getting pumped. So from 0.2 it also may almost go to $5, like it had done its part in 2020. Now in 2021 it didn't have that much like big gains, I guess. So from $5 it now goes to $6.57. So it's a gain percentage of like almost 4%, I guess. So have a look at this graph at in trading view. As you can see that if it keep its momentum like now, so it will cross the almost $9 or $10 in the end of the year. So stay tuned with this project and hold your tokens to earn a lot from it, because it's an amazing project and have a good use case too. Let's have a look at the BSC scan report. This shows that 41,000 holders are there, and a drop of 2% have been made in the holders. So I don't know why that's happened, because a massive dump last few days of Bitcoin, I guess. The main market people use here to buy Celsius is FTX, where they make a pair of Celsius and USD. So they are just doing it in fiat currency. As for you can also buy it on Uniswap version 2. So if you open it, this interface would show up. So these wallets can be connected here. As you let's see what wallets are compatible here first. Okay, so MetaMask and Trust Wallet are here. So once you come to here, just install MetaMask, load up some BNB or any coins you have, or BTC. Well, just load up some Ethereum and enter the amount, that how much you want. Okay, so for 1 Ethereum you get 356 cell tokens. So just click swap here once you connected the wallet, and you can buy it for yourself. It's super easy. So that was up for the analytics. Let's have a look at their team. So this guy, the CEO and the founder of this project, Alex Mashinsky, and he holds the most amount of the coins here. So you can see the team here. It looks quite professional to me. These are their core team members and advisors and technology team. So they have a big team here. because they run a big project. So that was up for this Celsius token. If you are interested in Celsius network, I will leave the website link of it in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself, do some research, and if you want to invest in this project you can, because in the end of this year it will cross $10. So yeah, now its price is $6, by the way. So this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I just brought this amazing project to you. If you are interested, you can go for it. So yeah, if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremis, where we would bring you more hidden gems from the crypto arena. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your BUSD or tokens to support us. Thank you.